Hindi mo na kailangan ng credit card. And this is best for online transactions like shopping online or transferring a certain amount from your account to another account. At the end of this video, you will see which features to watch out for so that you can get the most of your credit card this year and the coming year. Hi everyone! Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Today, we have a very good and exciting content. But before we move on, let us have a shout out. Shout out natin si Jobebs Flora. So hi sa'yo at shout out sa'yo. Watching from Taiwan. Thank you so much Jobebs Flora. So if you wish for a shout out, just let me know. Mag-comment lang kayo sa comment section. Moving on, credit cards are changing fast here in the Philippines, from virtual credit cards to AI-powered rewards. Let us look at the top credit card trends you need to know here in the Philippines for 2025 and 2026. At the end of this video, you will see which features to watch out for so that you can get the most of your credit card this year and the coming year. Trend number 1, the rise of virtual card. Ano ang benefit nito? Safe, no need for physical card, and of course, safer sa online transaction. You have adjustable limits. Example, BDO and CIMB virtual cards. That is why if you apply for a credit card, you ask your bank kung meron silang virtual card. Because for sure, it is most effective sa online transactions. Trend number 2, buy now, pay later growth. Buy now, pay later is one of the best alternative for credit cards. This is bagay and popular among young consumers for flexibility, but you need to track it. Track your spending kasi still utang pa rin siya. Trend number 3, security upgrades. Meron ng new fraud detection ang ating mga credit cards ngayon. OTPs, biometrics, and dynamic CVV. This feature is very important because of the rising of scams and fraud. Kaya ang rise ng security detections na feature ng ating mga credit cards is really very beneficial sa ating mga credit card holders. Trend number 4, AI personalized rewards. Through AI, nako-customized ang rewards ninyo based on your spending habits. Example, more cashback on your frequent categories like groceries, food delivery, or travel. So kung ano yung mga frequent na categories mo or spending mo na didetect ni AI at mas marami siyang binibigay na cashback. That is AI-powered rewards. Trend number 5, digital wallets and credit cards integration. Ano naman to? You can link your credit card lines to e-wallets like GCash, PayMaya, and many more. Dito, easier ang QR code payments and installment option. Trend number 6, cross-border and contactless payment. Many Filipinos abroad are shopping online. Demand for a low foreign transaction fee. Contactless, tap to pay is becoming common in groceries. Contactless, this is very trendy and everything is made easy for our favor. Trend number 7, financial inclusion. more Filipinos are gaining access to digital payments. Mas gusto na natin to, no? Less hassle, wala ka nang so much time to spend, especially if we are busy individuals, digital payment is the best option. And also, when shopping, no, talagang mas effective siya, digital payment, to look for this year and the coming year. Yes, because it is being done electronically. Hindi mo na kailangan ng check, hindi mo na kailangan ng physical card, hindi mo na kailangan ng credit card. And this is best for online transactions like shopping online or transferring a certain amount from your account to another account that is being done online. Kaya napaka-effective. Hindi na talaga time-consuming. Okay, ano nga ba yung mga digital payment methods natin? We have e-wallets, GCash, PayMaya, PayPal, GrabPay, and also GoTime. And we also have direct bank transfers via mobile applications or websites. And of course, yung mga iba pang cards natin, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, debit, credit cards. And not to forget also, QR code payments, scan to pay in stores. And another form of contactless payment, usong-uso na ngayon, ang NFC, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Now, which of these trends excites you the most? Virtual cards, buy now, pay later, or maybe AI-powered rewards? Please comment down below. Let me know. Mag-comment kayo. So there we go. We're done with another content, with another video. Please like and subscribe and also share our video para maraming ma-inspire, maraming ma-excite of the different trends that we are to enjoy this year and of course the coming year 2026. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And sana po, as what I've said a while ago, makapag-subscribe naman kayo. Especially those na dumadaan lang, na hindi pa nagsusubscribe. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please always tap the notification bell down there so that you'll always be notified sa mga bagong videos natin. Remember, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron ka sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!